This is my mess, and I'm gonna clean it. Had a big trip, have not cleaned it, and kind of trying to organize it as I'm setting up myself for a new video. If you guys want to check that out, that'll be the next one after this one, where we test some hiking food. But this is my Toyota Tundra. If you haven't checked out the prior video, this is a new truck for me, and kind of has a setup as is. We'll kind of go through how it's set up and if we'll continue to use the current setup, but we're trying to implement some improvements and see how it goes. So check this out. So the current setup, or the way that it's structured, has a mixture of things. This I've taken to Goodwill, but I went to Kings Canyon National Park, had a pretty big adventure there, but I have not organize, clean it out, take things out that need to be taken out. There's just a bunch of random stuff that needs to kind of come out that my wife, that I took to use, that my wife wants back, like this tripod, not this tripod, this holder for her Kindle. So we're kind of trying to clean this up, but there's a lot of random little things I just need to get through. And then we have kind of the next video set up here, right? So we'll be testing out these biscuit and sausage gravy. Dehydrated for our freeze-dried packs. And then I have another one that we're also gonna do and kind of detail which one's better, so that'll be the next video. But for now, we have to kind of get this cleaned. If you notice, I have this pad. It's not that cushiony. I'm gonna need to buy, I think this is 2 inches. I'm gonna have to go at least 4, just get more cushion or get a mattress. Because right now it works, but it's not that comfortable during the sleep. Hips kind of hurt when you turn. So plan is to upgrade this or add another cushion of 2 inches. So we'll see how that plays out. But for now, it's working as I'm kind of building out how I want this to feel and look and survive on the inside, right? So for now it works, but not great. Alright, it's a little bit dirty. I'm gonna get this all vacuumed out, but for now, they have these little wood planks that kind of go up and down. Kind of easy access, and then of course we have these that kind of go up and down. It's kind of storage throughout the whole thing. I really like it. Is it going to be a long-term stay with the fabric and the setup? I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Maybe over time I adapt and build something, but I really like the setup, and it provides me a lot of space because there's a lot of room here. And then I have storage underneath the bed where I can put things and kind of hide things. So really like this setup right now. This is the current setup in the truck. Or, not together. I kind of took apart everything as we cleaned, but at the moment we currently have storage on each side. If you pull up, there's a good amount of storage in here to kind of provide me with enough places to put things and it's out of the way. And then of course when the bed is set up, I have all the storage underneath. It actually provides me a good amount of space to put a lot of things, but there's some things I definitely want to add. I need some sort of battery source. Right now I have like you know, a battery pack. Not a big one, but I want a bigger battery pack. So like a Jackery is something that I'm gonna look into getting. Not sure if I'm gonna get like the solar added to it, but you know, something that can help me survive just for a couple days when I need to charge things and batteries. So give me some juice to do that. And then I currently have, I think there's a stove in here. When I bought the truck, the guy was like, hey, I'm gonna leave you my hiking stuff and or my you know, camping stuff. So I'm not sure if it works. I haven't used it. I'll have to go through that, but my plan is to not use that. I want to get like a, you know, like a Blackstone griddle, just a 17-inch, something that I can just pull out, griddle, clean up, and then put away. Not something big that will take up a lot of space, but just enough where I can survive and cook. Or if my, like, you know, I have my family or friends that we go out, we can just like easily cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But this is the truck bed. Pretty good amount of space in here. I really love this truck. It's been you know, something that I've really been wanting, as I'm solely have been you know, camping with tents and things like that. And you know, I'm a hiker. I do backpacking trips, but just adding, you know, a camper shell on with a truck with a bed, you're able to just, you know, go longer, more comfortable, and you know, feel kind of safe in here in this environment. You know, as we travel through national parks with my friend John. So really excited to see what we do with this space, but there's a lot to be done, right? So my big trip is going to be in March with John. We do little trips here and there, but he is currently deployed. We're really excited for him to come back and be able to share our adventures on this channel. But you know, at the moment, you're going to be able to see us transform this truck to make it my own and to make it, you know, usable, right? This is usable space that we can enjoy. You know, just a little bedroom basically when we need it. So, all right, so we are currently done. It's not the cleanest, but some things I need to store. This is going to Goodwill, but you know, some seats, some things. I got a video of mine. I need some of the stuff that I'm gonna use, but it's a lot better. I don't look crazy, and really excited for the next video, which you should watch because it is gonna be delicious or terrible. I don't know. We'll find out. Check it out. Bye, y'all.